Good evening to one and all present here. Thank you. Thank you. Good evening, everybody. A very warm welcome to all of you. Well, sometimes it is said that we do not value the moments that we are in currently till the time they become memory. So today is such a moment. It gives me immense pleasure to address all of you on the auspicious occasion of our institution's first official alumni meet 2020. A day like this is very important for us as it provides us the opportunity to reconcile many minds and many lost souls in the worldly affairs. It also enables the alumni to notice the changes and developments that have taken place in the college campus as compared to what it used to be earlier to what it is now. IHM Jaipur is a long established tradition to stay in touch with their students, but unfortunately, so far it has always been an unstructured way. Continuing this tradition, we proudly announce today the unveiling of the most event for life. I would now request our Honorable Director of IHM Jaipur Alumni Association and the Principal of IHM Jaipur, Mr. K.S. Narayan, to please come on the stage and share a few words.
Respected all the retired faculty here, all alumni from 1992 till 2019, and all the faculty, support staff and administrative staff. The moment has come where we cherish the memories. These memories don't fade away. Whichever IHM we come from, the memories always stay fresh. It has been a long journey from 1992 onwards, but the journey starts just not at 1992. It started 1976, when our Foodcraft Institute was formed. Only on the upgradation, when it became a full-fledged institute, the batches of 3 years diplomas and followed by 3 years degree program, which are currently in practice, is in vogue. Of course, we have not stopped. We continue to offer diploma courses also. As an alumni association, director of the alumni association, I would only request you all to be in touch with each one of us, because today, of course, through social media, the connectivity is very easy. For the simple fact that we are all here, it was only possible if we are all connected. And our Facebook page has almost about 1,946 members, but yes, the current membership registered is about 193, and it is our duty as alumni association to also force others to become part of this journey and cherish their memories also. Those who have passed out right from 92 to 2019 might have started their journey in the industry and now heading various organizations at the best of positions, into business, as entrepreneurs, events, facility management. There is no industry where our students are not there. Practically there is no industry which we cannot cater for. And that is what, in simple terms, any IHMite can survive in any kind of industry, whether it's service industry or industry or any other industry. To sum up the cause, it is not just the alumni. I think as an institution, the institution also derives the benefits that the alumni association brings with it. We request you that you are the support for us, and that support should continue and will continue irrespective. To tell you a simple incident, it is even before the association, just before the association was formed, we even supported the education of one of the students. Her name was Pragya Singh, and right now she is working in ITC Rajputana, and that shows that the concern for the fellow IHMite also. And it's just one tip of an iceberg. There are many more to do and many more to conquer, and I'm sure such alumni meets will only bring us more together, closer, because we all are busy in our own professions, irrespective where we are. So, but taking time off, coming here, spending your time and cherishing this moment is what we look for. The college also has grown what it is and what it is now, and it's still growing. Probably when 1992 batch started, it was around 40 was the intake, but today the intake is about 230. And likely to increase more too. But then times have changed, and so also the institute, and it will go further. And I only request that please keep coming, keep interacting with us, and keep supporting us wherever you are, and we look forward to your continued support. Thank you very much. Have a great evening.
Thank you, sir, for your words and coming on the stage and sparing time with us. I wish to express gratitude towards each and everyone present today for sparing your time to be with us. I know, it takes a lot of time, a lot of efforts to take out time and dedicate for today from your busy schedule. But I believe, and I firmly believe, that the experiences or the memories that you're taking tonight home with you will be worth the time that you've invested. Without further ado, we wish to felicitate a few of the retired faculty members who are in presence with us today. So I request Mr. Manish Dham, sir, to please come on the stage and felicitate Mrs. Sagan, ma'am. Ma'am, may we request you to please come on the stage. A round of applause, please.
We'll probably keep interacting more. So I'd like to say a few words about ma'am. Housekeeping was, though not my area of interest, but ma'am's creative way of teaching it always brought us back to the lab and the classes. It was indeed a pleasure to have a lot of scolding from you also, ma'am. And it's rather very remarkable if we can have a few words from you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everybody. My name, you all know by now, is Mrs. Sagan. The tough out of the faculty members was me. Some children came today and reminded me how tough I was. Anyway, that I am leaving it behind, coming to talk about it. Very nice of you to have invited me to share your experiences and to listen something from me also. It gives very nice feeling to see all of you progressing up to this extent, and I hope you'll do still better in future. Thank you so much for everything.
Mr. Sushil Chandra to please come on the stage and felicitate. And I would request Sher Singh sir to please come on the stage. Mr. Chandra to felicitate him.
Rahul, I would like to share something about Sher Singh sir. कॉलेज में तो हम लोगों ने सब कुछ सीखा ही है, क्लासेस अटेंड करिए और बिना करें, बट बाहर जाके हमें अदर देन प्रोफेशनल व्हाट एल्स वी हैव टू फेस एंड हाउ टू हैंडल इट, दैट वी हैव लर्न फ्रॉम द शेर सिंह सर.
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कॉलिंग मी। मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहूँगा कि देर आए दुरुस्त आए। हमने काफ़ी कोशिश करी कि ये जो है 2018 में हो जाए, 17 में हो जाए, 15 में हो जाए, 16 में हो जाए, 8 में हो जाए, लेकिन चलो अब नारायण साहब के 150 दिन रह गए हैं, अभी भी हो गया तो अच्छी बात है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, sir. May I request Mr. Manjeet Jhanju to please come on the stage. And I would request Mr. Jhanju to felicitate Mr. Narpat Singh Ranawat sir on the stage.
So I would like to thank all, and especially the office bearers of the association that newly formed to organize this entire event. And very eventful and old memories, rush back when we look at the UFK, and we just went to the hostel, saw our rooms, spoke to a lot of students here. So thank you so much, and I would request that there are a lot of people who I know live in Gurgaon, Delhi. So, if we encourage each other to come along, be the member of the association, it will become a larger party. So it will be great. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good evening. First of all, I'm very thankful for all the faculty and the students for inviting us for this function. It gives me immense pleasure when I see all my old students, and this, after a very long time I come to this campus. It takes me to old memories. We have in this campus, taking classes, interacting with the students. I always see my old students also and feel very happy. All are doing very good. We do interact with on the Facebook. Some people are different part of the country. They are right from Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and other parts of the country. We often communicate with them, and maximum boys are doing all very good. So Jaipur has a very special place of this Catering Institute, which we always feel proud whenever we go outside and talk about IHM Jaipur. It gives us a very satisfaction. And I feel that in future also you will keep it, the reputation of the institute. And now this JAPCATs, they will also, alumni will take care of the junior students also. So that coming up the future job prospects, employment opportunities will keep on showering on the new students. Thank you once again. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Kapil Punyani to please come on stage. Sorry, Kamal Punyani. My apologies. And I request him to felicitate Mr. R.K. Kapil sir on stage.
Thank you very much for calling me, and thank you for the program organized. It is well organized. We feel proud of it. If any of the alumni meet us in any of the part of the country, I met so many persons. They recognize us. It is all very good. Excellent. Thank you.
So, I'm really feeling privileged and honored to be a part of this get-together today. I'm from 99 batch. When we came to this college, we were absolutely raw, out of school, and we made friends here. We learnt a lot in this college. Eventually, we passed out, and made some friends, which are like with us for 20 years.
more than friends, you know, they're like family to us now. So I want to thank each one of you who has been associated with this with this organization, with this you know, institute, and all the best. May God bless you. Thank you.
Like you mentioned, you know, 4 decades ago, our college was a small and struggling organization. And if we talk about today, our graduates have widely spread throughout the globe in search of growth, learning, knowledge, and their performances. It makes a difference everywhere. Many of you are still on my mind, showcasing your excellence and outstanding performance. That's why I would also request Miss Suchi Nagar, who is present between us, to come on the stage and share a few words for our IHM alumni. Can we have a round of applause, please?
Good evening, everybody. Before about 97, I was part of this college, 94-97 batch. And after that, after working in hotels, I joined IHM Calcutta as a faculty. There was one thing which I used to tell every day to my students, that wherever you reach, you should always remember your roots, where you come from. So for me, this is where I started. We were kids. This is what I was discussing with everybody. जब हम आए थे, we were kids, and this college used to be a big place for us. बहुत बड़ा दिखता था. आज we are in the same place, but now we feel the size of the college is very small. But in our memories, it was a big place. But honestly, in our hearts, this is still the biggest place. This is from where we started, and this is why we are what we are today. So whosoever is here today, I request all of you to be a part of this place, this reunion. This is a very good initiative that we have started, and always remember your roots. Thank you.
Indeed, it was very motivating. I would request Mr. Sanjeev Puri to come on the stage now and share a few words of experience with us.
Good evening, everyone. Where do we start? 94? I entered from that gate. And what I left off was friendships, still ongoing. I had my first smoke over here, my first beer over here, though I quit smoking long time back, but when I come to the college, I again go back. It's not worthy of me to say this. I'm in the teaching itself. I'm working as HOD with the Institute of Hotel Management, Shimla. My memories are still fresh. Segan ma'am, she used to kick me out of the class. Ki baal lambe hai, class se bahar chale jao. And arrogant that I was, I used to leave the class. Aaj baal hi nahi hai. But anyways, time always has a way to give you back. And thank you all the teachers who are sitting in front of us. It's all because of you where we are. And the 3 years that the present students are going to spend over here, they are going to be the best time of your life. I went to the hostel, I saw my room. I was again back in the same system that I was at that time. I wish you all the very best, and I hope many more to come. All the very best to all of you, and thanks to the organizing committee and the association. All the best.
Thank you very much, Puri sir. आपने मुझे मेरी चोटी याद दिलाई. It was the same story between me and Bashir ma'am. Bashir ma'am ने मुझे आधे साल तक क्लास में एंटर नहीं करने दिया था. So yes, that's a similarity we were also discussing. IHM में ना एक रिवाज होता था हमेशा, मतलब मेरे टाइम पे था, पता नहीं हो रहा होगा शायद. आपके नाम से आपको कम और निकनेम से ज़्यादा याद करते थे. Is it true? Please raise your hands. किस किस के निकनेम थे? एक बार हाथ ऊपर करो. So ऐसे ही मेरे एक सीनियर है जिनका लास्ट नेम मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता, ठीक है, और उनको हम बोलते हैं अट्टा सर. So may I request Mr. Himanshu or Atta sir to please come on the stage, because he is coming to this college after 13 long years.
Hello everyone, thank you Sadesh for putting me on spot. As Sadesh mentioned, this is after a very long time that I'm coming here. 13, 14 years is a very long time. And I'm actually getting nostalgic. There are a lot of memories running at the back of my mind. हाँ जी सर बोलता हूँ, no problem. I'm very happy to see faculty sitting in front of me. This is a place that have taught me a lot. I came here as an arrogant kid, I would say, but when I went back, I was a lot professional. But yeah, this is a very special feeling. Obviously, while I'm speaking, there are a lot of thoughts which are running at the back of my mind, and I cannot be more thankful to this place and all the faculty. So thanks, guys. Thanks for your support. The only message that I would have for the juniors or the students who are studying here is make sure that you put in a lot of hard work and blend in with the fun. I can very shamelessly mention that I was probably the naughtiest child of my batch. But yes, when I left this place, I had 3 offer letters with me, which is obviously very pleasing when you evaluate what you did in the time that you've spent. So make sure that you spend your time very wisely and respect your faculty. That is very important. That is it. Thank you.
You know, I believe that our college has now become one of the great institutions in the city. And to achieve greatness, it has all the important prerequisites such as an expansive campus, conducive environment, experienced faculty, dedicated students, necessary financial resources, etc., etc. So I would like to take this moment and thank all the ex-faculty members who took out time to grace our event today. And so we shall remain indebted to you always. I would also like to take this moment and thank you and appreciate Mr. K.S. Narayan, the Director of IHM Jaipur Alumni Association and the Principal of IHM Jaipur, who has always supported us in our endeavors. So may I request the Honorable President of the committee, Mr. Lav Shekhawat, to please come on the stage and felicitate our Honorable Director. Mr. Shekhawat, may I request you please share a few words.
1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Thank you, Principal Sir, respected teachers, respected seniors and my dear friends. कोशिश है, देखो कहाँ तक पहुँचते हैं। तुम हाथ बढ़ाए जाओ, मैं तुम्हारा हाथ पकड़ के रखूँगा।
Thank you. My sincere heartfelt appreciation to the respective heads of the departments, Mr. B.K. Srivastav sir, Mr. Sanjay Arora sir, and all the faculty members, admin staff and the support staff. Without you, this wouldn't have been possible. A special mention to Mrs. Bashir Vandana Rawat ma'am and Mrs. Shrabani Puri ma'am for endorsing us since the inception of this association, which was in 2018. We have been fortunate enough to be backed up by a team of very motivated and dedicated volunteer members who know their job and are result oriented. Hence a special mention to the entire interim executive committee for making today possible. Thank you. After this we have the high tea. So I hope you like the arrangements that we have done for this great union. We wish you a very wonderful and memorable evening. Please do enjoy the afternoon tea, and we'll see you in Tipler's Club at 8 p.m. tonight where we party. My name is Siddesh Wanikar. I'm a 2008 pass out. I'm signing off. But before you leave the premises, we have these few board markers here. So I request each one of you to come on the stage and sign your name, leave a message, because this board is going to stay in this college forever. Thank you.
you.